Welcome back to the Nature Film channel. The vast expanse of green wilderness on planet Earth is a symbol of beauty and tranquility, especially the colorful wild birds with their melodious and incessant chirping that create amazing natural sounds. Today, we will take you to know more about one of the most amazing and iconic birds in the world, the hornbill. This bird, with its large beak and unique characteristics, has become a symbol of the beauty of tropical nature. Hornbills are birds that live in the tropical forests of Asia and Africa. Although they are not easy to find, their existence is very important for the balance of the forest ecosystem. The lush green beauty of the tropics is home to hornbills, who spend most of their lives in large, tall trees. One of the main characteristics of the hornbill is its large and unique beak. This beak can be very long and shaped like a helmet, called a casque. This structure not only serves to help them eat, but is also used in communication between fellow hornbills. Apart from that, this casque is also the main attraction for couples in their mating rituals. Don't be mistaken. Even though it looks like a defense tool or weapon, the hornbill's beak is actually very light because it is made of the same keratin material as our nails. With such a design, they can fly more efficiently, while keeping the large beak from putting too much strain on their bodies. One of the things that is no less interesting about hornbills is their distinctive voice. They have a loud and echoing voice, which they use to communicate with group members or to mark their territory. Their calls can be heard several kilometers away, which is very useful in dense tropical forests. When several hornbills gather, their sound can sound like a loud bang, almost like a thundering drum. This is one way they interact in large groups, and also to scare off predators or rival birds that enter their territory. Hornbills are known to be intelligent social birds. They're often seen flocking together in large trees, foraging together, or simply resting. The main food of this large bird species is fruits, seeds, insects, and sometimes even small reptiles. Interestingly, they have a very close relationship with their partners. Female hornbills will choose their potential partners based on the male's ability to care for and protect them. After mating, the female will enter a nest hidden inside a large tree and close the nest door using a mixture of soil, feces, and other leftover materials. The uniqueness of hornbills does not stop with their appearance and sound, but also with the way they care for their families. The females will stay in the nest for several months to care for their eggs and young. During this time, the male will continue to bring food and feed the female and her young through a narrow gap in a large, tall tree as their nest. Females and their young will remain in the nest until the young are old enough to come out and learn to fly. This process shows how strong the bond between a hornbill pair is and how much they work together to ensure the survival of their generation. There are more than 50 species of hornbills spread across Asia and Africa. Each species has its own characteristics, both in terms of size, feather color, and beak shape. For example, hornbills in Africa tend to be darker in color, while hornbills in Asia tend to be brighter in color with yellow, red, and white accents. One of the most well-known hornbill species is the knobbed hornbill, known for its large, brightly colored bill and prominent casque. Other species, such as the great hornbill, have large bodies and very loud voices, and are known as the rulers of the tropical forests. Unfortunately, despite the incredible beauty of the hornbill, this bird is now endangered. The destruction of their natural habitat, deforestation, and illegal hunting have caused the hornbill population to decline. The tropical forest habitat that is their home is shrinking, which of course threatens their survival. According to various sources, some hornbill species have even been listed as endangered species. Therefore, it is important for us to take conservation measures, such as supporting conservation efforts and preserving the forests where they live. Organizations and communities around the world have made efforts to protect hornbill habitats and educate the public about the importance of conserving nature. With our support, we can help protect the lives of hornbills and ensure they continue to fly freely in lush tropical forests. The hornbill is one of the great examples of natural wonders. Their beauty and uniqueness is proof of how important it is for us to protect nature and the living creatures in it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications to see more interesting videos about the beauty of nature. Let's take care of the Earth and all its inhabitants together. See you in the next video.